Good afternoon, my dears, my sweet little children. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home and doing your work regularly, right? So, my dears, I am here today with a story. But you know, before starting our class, what we are doing? Yes, we are doing prayer. First we do prayer. After that we start our class. So my dear sweet little children, stand up all of you. Yes, stand up all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. We will start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasya Vidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Once again. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasya Vidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Open your eyes, put your hands down, and now let all of you, first before starting your class, what we are doing? We are doing some fun, right? We are doing some fun. So, which clap we have learned? We have learned butterfly clap, right? And chapati clap. Butterfly clap and chapati clap. We have learned that both the clap. First we will practice that clap, and afterwards today I will teach you a new clap. Today I will teach you a new clap. So all of you, first cross your hand, then cross your thumb. Fly butterfly, fly the butterfly. Very good. Now clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. This is butterfly clap. Again, cross your hand, cross your thumb, fly the butterfly. Very good. Down, up. Now clap all of you. 1, 2, 3. Right. Then next clap we have learned chapati clap. Which clap? Chapati clap. How we clap chapati clap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Again do with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have learned DJ clap also. Do you know DJ clap? Okay, let us do one. Put your hand, one hand on your ear and one hand like this straight. Now DJ clap. Yes. How DJ do? Do like this and clap. 1, 2, 3. Right? Again, put one hand on your ear and one hand straight like this. Then move this hand round and round. Yes, move this hand round and round like this. And then clap. 1, 2, 3. Which clap is this? DJ clap. Which clap is this? DJ clap. So, now all of you, we will revise the rhyme, and after that, today I will tell you one story. Today I will tell you one story. So, are you ready? Are you ready? So, say loudly, yes ma'am. Say yes ma'am. Very good. So, let us start with rhymes. Which rhyme we have learned first? Early to bed. Early to bed and early to rise makes man healthy, wealthy and wise. Again, early to bed Now, after that, one more rhyme we have learned. Rain, rain, go away. So, do with action. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Again we will say, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Very good. Now which clap you want to do? Butterfly clap, chapati clap or DJ clap? Tell me which clap you want to do? Chapati clap? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do chapati clap all of you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One more rhyme I have taught you. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So all of you say with me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, turn a big fat hand. Again we will say 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Did you enjoy this rhyme? Yes, you are enjoying. Okay. Once again we will say, you have to say with action. What you have to do? You have to say this rhyme with action. So my lovely kids, say rhyme with action. Ready? Ready? Okay. Once again we will say 1, 2. Yes, repeat after me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. Knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. Pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, 9, 10, a big fat hand. Very good. Now we will do DJ clap. So all of you do DJ clap. Ready? DJ clap. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Again, do DJ clap all of you. Yes, put one hand on your ear and one hand straight like this. Then round and round. Move this hand round and round. Yes, move hand right and round. And 1, 2, 3. This is your DJ clap. So, today I am going to tell you one story. What? Today I am going to tell you one story. This story is about a crow. Which bird is this? Crow. You see crow? It is in black color. Yes. What does crow say? Cow, cow. Very good. Crow says cow, cow. So this story is about a crow. About a crow. ये story एक crow के बारे में है. Crow means कौवा. उसके बारे में है. This story is about a crow who was very thirsty. वो जो crow था बहुत प्यास लग रही थी उसको. बहुत प्यासा था वो क्योंकि वो बहुत दूर से उड़ के आ रहा था. Because he was flying from away and it is very hot. So this story is about crow. Look here all of you. This story is about a crow. start the story of a crow. A crow was flying in the sky. A crow was flying in the sky. Caw, 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 caw. Caw, 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 caw. Now crow was very thirsty. I am so thirsty. I am so thirsty. मुझे बहुत प्यास लगी है. So crow saw a pot of water. Crow saw, where is water? I don't find water here and there. So he saw a pot. What is this? This is a pot. So crow saw a pot of water. So crow come fly, fly, fly and come here. So crow put her beak in crow. Oh, the water is down. The crow can't able to drink the water. जब क्रो ने ये पॉट देखा तो क्रो पॉट के पास आया. फिर जब देखा उसमें कि पानी तो बहुत नीचे है. वाटर इज इन दी water is down. So he come. So he thought what to do now. The water is down. अब क्रो ने सोचा अरे क्या करूं अब मैं. पानी तो बहुत नीचे है. पानी क्या है? बहुत नीचे है. Look here. The crow fly and come. He saw a pot of water. क्रो ने एक पॉट देखा जिसमें पानी था. But the water was down. So crow can't able to drink water. पानी बहुत नीचे था तो वो पानी पीना नहीं पाया. फिर उसने सोचा. The crow thought, now what to do? So crow saw pebbles. crow ने stones वहाँ pebbles देखे. pebbles मतलब पत्थर देखे वहाँ छोटे छोटे से. फिर crow ने pebbles अपनी पीठ में लिए सारे और उसमें डाले. crow ने pebbles देखे उठाए और उसमें डाले. फिर pebbles डालने के बाद क्या हुआ? पानी ऊपर आया. water rose up. The crow collected the pebbles and put them in the water. Crow collected the pebbles and put them in the water. The water rose up. पानी फिर ऊपर आ गया. Then crow drank the water and flew away. The crow drank the water and flew away. फिर क्रो ने पानी पिया और वो उड़ गया. Once I will tell you story in Hindi. Then afterwards, but we have to say English. एक कौवा बहुत प्यासा था तो उसने पानी के लिए सब लोग देखा. पानी नहीं मिला. फिर उसको एक पॉट दिखा. पॉट में पानी बहुत कम था तो फिर सोचा क्या करेंगे अब. पानी कैसे पियो. फिर उसने देखा कि पीबल्स पड़े हैं. क्रॉस ऑफ पीबल्स. फिर क्रो ने पीबल्स अपने पीठ में लिए और उसको पॉट में डाल दिया. पॉट में डालने के बाद क्या हुआ? जो वाटर है वो ऊपर आ गया. फिर क्रो ने पानी पिया और वो उड़ गया. Now I will show you once. I will show you once again I will show you. Look here, all of you. Look here, my dear. Look here. This is a pot. This is a pot. This is a pot and this all are the pebbles. Right? The crow come and saw the pot, but he can't able to drink water. So, what the crow done? Crow saw the pebbles. Crow taken the pebbles and put in the pot. Again, the crow went, taken the pebbles and put in the pot. Again, the crow went and put the pebbles in the pot. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away. So, this is the story about this.